Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account forever in just a few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any update in the future. And now, without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, first open your TikTok app, then tap your profile, then tap three lines, then tap settings and privacy, then tap count, then tap deactivate or delete account, then tap delete account permanently, then tap skip, then mark this option here by continuing your review with your data, etc. Then tap continue, then tap continue again, then enter your password, then tap delete account. Then tap delete, but keep in mind you only have 30 days in case you want to recover your account, and after 30 days your account will be completely deleted, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.